Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be finalizing my Ryzen 7 5800X 3080 Ti gaming PC. So far I have done installing the CPU, the motherboard, SSD, CPU cooler, RAM modules, power supply, and the 3080 Ti GPU. Alright, so the computer is fully assembled. I'm gonna turn it on now. It seems to be on, and yes, I see the ASRock logo, and I'm going to go to the back screen. And here we have the information about the processor, the motherboard, the CPU speed, and the total memory. Now that is confirmed that the computer turns on, I'm gonna close the computer. Gonna slide the back panel. Next I'm gonna install the screws, the top one and the bottom one. This is the last step. This is the plastic acrylic side panel. I'm removing the plastic protective films, and next I'm gonna carefully settle it on the case like this. Next I'm gonna screw the side panel in. And now I'm going to install this dust cover. Alright, so the computer is fully assembled and I have Windows 10 installed and I have Passmark program installed as well, and next I'm going to run benchmarking on this. Alright, so the benchmarking is done and these are the results. The Passmark rating for the entire computer is 6482. The Ryzen CPU has scored 28,637 points and the 3080 Ti graphics card has scored 30,071. So the 3080 Ti on this computer has done better than average 3080 Ti, but the Ryzen 7 scores are pretty much the same. Alright guys, this comes to the end of the video and the end of the entire video series on building my 3080 Ti Ryzen 7 5800X gaming PC. Thank you all for watching.